Hello everyone. As the continuation of the previous video, in the previous video we have seen a complex SQL queries. Under that we have seen a triggers. Under the same the complex SQL queries. Today we are going to see a new concept called views in SQL. Yes, come let's get into a video. Yes. So what is the SQL views? One view in SQL is saved SQL query that act as a virtual table. Unlike regular table, views does not store data themselves. Instead, they dynamically generate data by executing the SQL query defined in the view each time it is accessed. So a view which is nothing but suppose if you are having a more data in a table, more records in a table, and if you want to view only a particular data as a table format. So in that case, you can use a view. So view is only a virtual table. It does not take any storage to save the data. So at that time, dynamically runtime, it will fetch the data from the table and just show to a user. This is the main concept of the views. And next one is how we are going to create a view. That is a syntax for creating a view. We can create a view using create view statement. A view can be created from a single table or multiple tables. Syntax. Create view. View name as select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition. So create is a keyword. View is also a keyword. View name is it's a user defined. User can specify, keep his own view name, and as select from which are the columns you want to show in the view and from which table, and if any condition is there you can specify the condition also. So this is the basic syntax of creating a view. And next one is the managing views. Managing views, which is nothing but doing some operations in views. Under that, the first one is listing. So listing, which is nothing but showing the views. We can list all the views in the database using a show full table statement or using the information schema table. A view can be created from a single table or multiple tables. That is syntax. Use database name. Show full table where table type like percentage view. So if you give this syntax, what are the view you have created in your database will be displayed. And next one is by using a schema information. We can list all the views in the database using show full tables table or using a schema information table. A view can be created from a single table or multiple. Syntax. Select table name from information schema dot views where table schema is equal to database name. Yes, the next syntax for your using schema is select table schema, table name, view definition from information schema, views where table schema, database name. So next one is your deleting views. So SQL allow us to delete an existing view. We can delete or drop view using a drop statement. So the syntax is drop view, view name. Next one is your updating view. If you want to update the existing data within the view, use the update statement. Update view name, set column 1 is equal to value 1, column 2 is equal to value 2, and column n equal to value n where condition. So this is the syntax of your update view. So the second syntax of your update view is create or replace view. View name as select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition. So rules to update views in SQL. The select statement which is used to create the view should not include group by class or order by class. The select statement should not have the distinct keyword. The view should have all the not null values. The view should not be created using the nested queries or complex queries. The view should be created from a single table. If the view is created using a multiple table, then we will not be allowed to update the view. So next one is the advanced technique used with views. That is updating the data through a view, inserting data into a view, deleting a row from a view, and with check option classes. So yes, these are the basic concepts of the views. And as I told you previously, view, which is nothing but it's a virtual table where a data can be dynamically shown at the runtime. It will fetch the data from the table and just view to a user. So you can refer this website for the more concept of views. Thank you.